Welcome to 6 Taste Stories. What we are going to cook today is chicken thokku. And it is a traditional South Indian dish which can be had with rice and chapatis. Let's see the ingredients required for this dish. Chicken, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander leaves, garam masala, pepper powder, curry leaves, jeera powder, onions, tomatoes, Kashmiri chili, green chili, salt, ginger garlic paste, ginger, garlic, curds, oil. Now let's start marinating the chicken. For this I'm taking curd, 2 spoons of curd. Curd is basically to bind the masala to the chicken as well as to make sure the chicken becomes tender. I'm adding a little bit of turmeric, little bit of Kashmiri chili, little pepper, and finally salt. Let's mix them up nicely so that the masala gets well spread onto the chicken. After we marinate the chicken or mix the masala, we'll set it aside for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. We can add a little bit of oil to make sure that the pieces don't get stuck to each other. Now we will leave it like this for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Add some oil. You can add oil, ghee, butter, whatever it is, but I prefer using oil. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil so that we can fry the onions. Once the oil is heated up, let's add in some onions. When the oil is hot and the onions are getting fried, let's add some ginger, some garlic, to this, let me add some tomatoes. The tomatoes should get well cooked, only then the thokku will be very semi-solid or thick. Keep the tawa with the lid so that it cooks faster. The tomatoes and onions have got cooked now, so let's add in the ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic paste is also cooked now. First we are going to add turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder, and little bit of Kashmiri chilies. The masala is now ready. Let's add in the chicken, the marinated chicken. Chicken does not take much time to cook. Maximum it takes 7 to 10 minutes. Now let's mix the masala and the chicken well. Even though we have added the salt on the marinade, it's better to add some more salt so that the taste is good. Add a tablespoon of garam masala on top. Mix it up nicely. Let's add in some water just to fill the chicken. The chicken is cooked now, and let's start reducing the water so that we make it a thick paste or chicken thokku. The chicken thokku is cooked well now. Let's garnish with some fresh chili, good amount of coriander, and a little bit of curry leaves. Mix it up well nicely. The chicken thokku is now ready. Your chicken thokku is ready. It not only looks delicious, but it tastes very well. You can have this with rice, chapati, bread, or just like an evening snack. If you like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.